Hello everyone, I would love to invite you to an online live OCD workshop on Saturday the 11th of March. This is a unique event to the results and why. You will also learn the most important thing, how to recover from OCD. These are specific techniques that I have used after trying years and years of different types of therapy. These are the specific techniques that my clients have used globally to get massive results. You will learn this in a very in-depth practical workshop with myself and others. This will be done through Zoom. This is a very experiential, practical experience. So you'll be really putting these techniques into practice throughout the session. You will also get the opportunity to ask me questions and get advice on the spot, so you don't have to wait. We will also learn technical, somatic-based practices called tension and trauma release exercises that when we do it over time helps to regulate our nervous system and bring our body and mind into a state of balance. So this is a unique event. This is a once-off event, so please feel free to come along and join me. Click the link below and all the details will be there to book your place. I look forward to seeing you on the day. Thank you.